everyone, you're welcome to Divine Lifestyle Vlog. My name is Sarah. On this channel, I share lifestyle, real lifestyle, sewing, personal growth, and everyday moments. So today, what we're going to be doing today, I am giving my sewing machine a much needed care. Let me show you my sewing machine. So if you've been watching, you will see this is my sewing machine. So over time, dust, fabric, lint, and loose threads can build up around the needle area and inside the sewing machine. So I will be opening it up carefully, cleaning those hidden area and getting it ready for my next sewing project. So please join me now while we get started. I'm going to be introducing you to the tools I'm going to be using to unscrew it, which I'm going to be unscrewing this part, those parts, and under this part, which I'm going to be unscrewing to clean this area where the thread is normally. So please relax and join me while we do our cleaning. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I will be opening the sewing machine carefully, cleaning those hidden areas, and getting it ready for my next project, my next sewing project. So I'm going to be taking time to do this, to clean it thoroughly, because if you don't do that, the machine is not going to be working properly. Sometimes I do oil it as well, so I'm not doing oiling today. Today is just to dust and clean inside. I will open it inside. Some of this thread and knits, they'll be going inside it, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you love and crafts. So join me while we get started. I'm going to be showing you the tools I'm going to be using. Let's go. I am going to be using a screwdriver to unscrew the parts that needed to be cleaned. So this is the screwdriver. These are my tools. I'm not going to be using all of this. I'm just going to look for the size that can fit into where I want to unscrew. These are different types. We have the star one, we have the flat one. So I'm just looking at the side, which one can really fit in. So we're going to give one of them a try. The way I looked at this one, it looks like I'm going to be using the star one, and I'm going to give this one a try and see how I'm able to unscrew it. Cleaning your sewing machine regularly is very important, because if you don't clean your sewing machine regularly, it's going to affect the stitches. So I would say it's best to clean your sewing machine after every project, or say 2 projects, because when I was making my previous project, the pink one, I realized I was supposed to clean it. So at the later end of it, I begin to notice some stitches that are not really coming out nice. So that's one of the things you observe once you did not really clean your sewing machine regularly. So you might as well just do the cleaning before any project or after you finish any project. And you also need to put your machine off to clean it. So after you sewing, because there will be some threads and fabric knits that will be in the needle area that will be building up. So if they build up dust in between, it will not really give you a good finishing sewing. So I've taken the screw off. So I'm going to use just a little brush to just brush inside. This part's not really that dirty as much. So this part I don't clean every time. I clean maybe once in a month, depending on how I use it really. So that's the little brush I'm using there to brush out every build up knits. So I brush everything out. Some little fabric particles and loose threads. Loose thread can really build up around the areas, the needle areas and this part. Sometimes also I open this sometimes when the thread gets stuck, so I need to bring it out and do the thread cross through the silver thing there. Sometimes I do have some trap thread around this area, so as I'm doing it, I'm checking for if there is any trap thread, which there isn't at the moment. So once I'm done with this one, I'm going to put it all back. So I finished with this, I'm going to stock it back. It is advisable to also take, for those of you who have sewing machine who sews, it's advisable to take your sewing machine to a certified technician once a year, or at least depends on really how you really use them, for deep internal cleaning, to check and see that the machine is all working properly. So that you can do once a year, depend on how you use it. So with this now, I'm just doing the basic tidy up, and then once I do this, I'm going to do the threading area. Make sure it's secured, the top part is secured, nice and clean. So I'm going to do the second part of this cleaning. This part is where I really spend time to clean, because sometimes if it doesn't clean, your thread will be stuck in the middle because of the threads, the loose threads that is building around the bottom area. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Divine Lifestyle Vlog. Let me know in the comment section, how often do you clean your sewing machine, for those of you that have sewing machine. And if you love sewing lifestyle and creative content, make sure you turn on your notification bell so you will never miss a new upload. So you can see now this area is really messy. Let me try and bring it closer so you can see. With my little brush, I am giving it a good cleaning. All this here can affect your machine working. It can affect the stitches when you stitch, when you sew. So this can affect it. Look at that. Can you see? Look at that. It's all built up. So this needs to be taken off regularly. This area needs to be kept clean to reduce the amount of dust that gets inside. So you need to take your time, brush every dust out nicely, neatly. Carefully do this. Have you ever had your machine stop working because of neat build up before? Yes, the neat building up can stop your machine from working. So that also is the thread area, which I'm practically cleaning properly to see that it comes out where the thread goes in. Let me know what sewing machine do you use. I'm using my torchlight to see inside and see that I've done everything. I've brushed everything out. If you have any sewing maintenance tips, you can share them in the comment section. It will really help as well. It will also help me. If you have any maintenance tip, you can give as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to Divine Lifestyle Vlog. If you love real life content, if you love sewing, don't forget to subscribe and share your tip with me. Remember, when doing this, keep your screw, keep everything intact, because if you lose one of the screw, you're going to be so regretful because you won't be able to fit it. So everything needs to be intact, and then you screw them back together, you put everything back in place. So that is one important thing to bear in mind. So I finished putting everything back as it's supposed to be. Now I'm just packing up all the things that I use and then putting everything together. So a sewing machine is an investment. Looking after it regularly, clean and simple maintenance not only help it perform better, but also make every sewing project enjoyable. A little care today can keep your machine sewing beautifully for years to come. So I'm putting back all my screwdrivers, all my tools away, and here we are. Thank you for your time. It's really nice to have you here with me. I really appreciate you for all your support. For the new subscribers and the returning subscribers, God bless you. Here we are. We'll finish cleaning. That's the sewing machine. I finished cleaning. I finished putting everything back, fixing all the screw. My machine will work perfectly well now. So That is it for today's sewing machine cleaning routine. A few minutes of maintenance can help keep sewing machine working smoothly and extend its lifespan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video encourage you to give you your own sewing machine a little care too. I will see you in my next lifestyle vlog or sewing vlog. God bless you. So all the needles are all intact. Love you all. Bye bye.